Just another reminder that I'm joining in with my daughter, as you see here in the video, Deborah, and her channel is Blossom Your Creativity, and Grandma are getting together to do a DIY project. And anyone can join in, and it's an open collab this Sunday anytime. And we both are going to be decorating a display with a sleigh. And we had the exact same sleigh that my daughter found at a secondhand store, as you're seeing in the video. And we're both going to revamp it a little bit. My daughter's doing hers a lot, and mine will be done just a little. As you can see, there's two of them. She got them for $3.99, so it's $2 a piece. And I thought she got a great buy. And I can't wait to share with you what I have done. So it can be a sleigh like we have or similar, or it can be anything you want, but it is to be put into some kind of a display when you're done putting it together. It can be like a centerpiece, a cozy corner, anything you want. It can be a big project, a small project, whatever you want to do. We're not picky. So anytime this coming Sunday, a sleigh or a Christmas display or some kind of Christmas DIY project. And if you want to hear more about it, you can go back and check this last Tuesday. I had this video up running. Now, this is last year's Christmas brunch. I'm pretty sure I was pretty tired last year, and this one wasn't really all that exciting. I think I basically just found some Christmas things and threw it in this display. We have some donuts for those that like donuts, and we had fresh Christmas cookies, and we had tamales, and we had salsa, and we made it quick and easy. So any buffet will be great for this challenge. It'll be this coming Monday, and this was my third year they're seeing here, so this will be my fourth year today. Well, not today, on Monday. I'm going to try to put a little bit more effort into my Christmas brunch this year. I probably will actually do some real cooking. But I think last year I was totally wore out. And so, as you can see, you don't have to do anything big or elaborate. You can do a lazy brunch like Grandma did last year, or you can actually get those pans out and cook something. I'm not quite sure what I'm going to make this year yet. I'm going to try to find something a little different and interesting, but we'll see. I'm sure it's going to be better than just donuts and cookies and tamales. But you never know. Grandma might wear herself out the way she keeps putting up videos. And, make a little display like I've done here is fine. Anything that you want to do, it's your Christmas brunch. You can make it big, fancy, elaborate, or tiny, or just something that you can just go in the kitchen and grab a cookie and a glass of milk, or a donut, or a tamale. Whatever makes you happy. And these are easy challenges. Anyone can join in. And you can go back and be inspired by what Grandma did last year by having tamales or burritos. And it's our Mexican brunch for last year. This coming year, I'm not quite sure what I'm going to do yet. So, hope to see you all there. Don't forget this coming Monday, anytime on Monday. It's an open collab. Anyone can join in. And you can make it simple. You can make it complicated. We don't care. Just come and join us. Please let me know that you joined in. Leave me a comment. I will make sure to go give you a full watch and leave you a comment back, because I'm a full supportive friend to those that fully support me. Well, I hope to see someone up here for one or both of these challenges. I try to make them simple and easy for anyone can join in. And you don't have to spend a lot of money for either one. Well, thank you all very much for stopping by and giving so much love and support. Every video, I really do appreciate it. It means the world to me to see so many of you coming by. And thank you all, and I'm wishing you all a Merry, Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year this year. We've all worked very hard on our YouTube channels, and for those that just come by for love and support that don't have a YouTube channel. I appreciate you as well. Please don't overwork yourself this holiday season. Try to find time to enjoy the season. That's really, really, really what it's all about. Well, thank you all for stopping by. Don't forget, Sunday is the DIY project, and I'm going in with my daughter, Blossom Your Creativity, to that challenge. And the Christmas brunch, I think it's just me and me on that one. Maybe next year I'll get a couple co-hostesses to help me and maybe get me inspired to work a little harder on my Christmas brunch. But you know, on a Christmas brunch, we're all tired in the morning and we have Christmas dinner to cook later that day. So it can be something simple. It doesn't have to be elaborate or fancy. See you all later. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.